Wow! It's alphabets. Capital letter A to Z. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for grapes. H. H for horse. I. I for ice cream. Z. Z for jacket. K. K for kite. L. L for lemon. M. M for mango. N. N for nose. O. O for orange. P. P for python. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rain. S. S for sweet. T. T for taxi. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watermelon. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yellow. Z. Z for zebra.